They got you cooking today?
Yes.
And what'd you just say?
My meat still froze. They didn't tell me to this morning.
Now what?
I gotta let that sit, and then I gotta do something with this meat. Hope this daggum sun thaws this meat out a little bit.
Is it thawed?
It's soft. Look. I need the water hose, Josh.
The water hose?
Yep. Pressure on that.
Oh.
Good.
Wow. Oh. That actually looks really good.
Those are looking really good.
Dang. Oh, you hear that sizzle?
Mm-hmm. I'll put these in the middle. Look at that. They turning.
You said what?
All I'm gonna make is lima beans and potato salad. They might get fried okra, but
Good Lord.
Josh, please. Marie likes these lima beans and mayonnaise. So I'm making these for her.
Wow.
Move.
I did it.
Get out.